Are you looking for the best cordless reciprocating saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cordless reciprocating saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Porter-Cable PCC 670B20V Max battery-powered reciprocating saw. It is another budget-maintaining reciprocating saw. At a little price, you will hit a jackpot. This proficient rechargeable reciprocating saw can give you far from what you expect. This is a 20V reciprocating saw that can gain high blade speed to make successful cuts. Its variable speeding system allows you to adjust the speed as per your requirement. You can go up to 3000 SPM with this saw. You can cut multiple materials with such speeding variations. It increases the control over the saw and helps you to make steady cuts. It can assist you in cutting through drywall, plywood, particle board, MDF, and others. For fast cutting, you need the blade to move long distances in one stroke, and you get that from this saw. This capable saw can go a massive 1 inch deep inside the material cutting per stroke. To cut through various materials of various density, you will be needing to change the blade. Each time changing the blade can be hassling for many saws, but not this one. The saw has a tool-less blade changing facility. Just turn the blade and pull it out. The instructions are given on the blade itself. You don't have to be a pro to do it. The compact and small body of the saw gives you a huge facility. You can fit this tiny thing in any tight space without any problem. Either it's a closed cupboard or small cabinet, you can work anywhere with it. Up next in the 4th place is the WORX WX550L 2-in-1-axis convertible jigsaw to reciprocating saw. What could be better than getting facilities of 2 paying for 1? This WORX reciprocating saw is such a tool that will allow you to use it as both a reciprocating saw and a jigsaw. And this magic happens by the virtue of its pivoting head. The saw can efficiently work both as a reciprocating saw and a jigsaw one at a time. You can fulfill all your necessities of both just by this one saw. This comes in a set with a battery, charger, and 4 different types of blades. You also have the flexibility of using blades from other brands whichever you require. Different blade options are given to assist you in cutting from wood to plastic to even metal. All the strength for making successful cuts comes from the 20V lithium-ion 1.5Ah battery that it comes with. You can use this battery even on other WORX PowerShare compatible tools. So, if you buy a bare tool from WORX, you can use the battery of this saw. An important feature of this saw is its automatic dust blower. The blower is strategically placed just underneath the handle. As you keep cutting your required material, the blower blows away all the unnecessary sawdust that comes in the way of your cut. Another such thoughtful inclusion is the LED light on the cutting head. It illuminates the cutting site and gives you a clearer view of your cuts. Thus, you can make accurate cuts in every attempt. The 3rd product on our list is the BLACK+DECKER BDCR20C20V Max cordless reciprocating saw kit. This BLACK+DECKER is a budget-approved saw. You don't have to count too much to get a hand on this saw. This cheap cordless Sawzall doesn't lack in any respect. All your requirements can be fulfilled at an affordable price. Easy functionality is extremely essential for any type of tool. This factor is given much importance in this saw. Anybody, even without any prior knowledge, can operate it. From changing the blade to running it, all the functions are super easy. Its convenient switch lock blade fixing system is a must-talk feature of this saw. This facility makes the changing of the blade effortless. You do not have to move around with extra tools to take the blade out. Just pulling off the switch will help you take out the blade easily. You can simply change the blade on the go. The compact structure with a light body weight makes it very convenient to use. To increase grip, the front head and its handle are overmolded with rubber. This gives a slip-free holding capability and better control of the saw. Reciprocating saws need to have a front shoe to keep balance while working. This saw didn't ignore the fact and includes a pivoting one. This gives you the chance to place the saw on your cutting material at a certain angle as you desire. In this set, the saw comes with a blade, 20V lithium-ion battery, and charger. It's unbelievable that at such a low price you can get that many components. Being a part of the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max system, you can use this battery to power any other BLACK+DECKER battery-operated tool. 2nd on our list is the MILWAUKEE'S 2720-20 M18 cordless Sawzall reciprocating saw. Milwaukee took the game to the next level with this model of their reciprocating saw. Its power and working capability are unmatchable. It is way ahead of its competitors. This reciprocating saw is one powerful cordless saw that genuinely has the potential of a corded one. Your construction work will gain huge momentum with its 3000 SPM capability. Its hardcore working ability can take you far from your expectation. The saw runs on an exclusive power state brushless motor. Its brushless motor facilitates the saw immensely. Its friction-free high-torque running capability gives it enormous power to generate high reciprocating speed. A highlighting feature of this saw is its RedLink Plus intelligence system. The inclusion of this smart technology enhances the performance of the saw manifold. It gives the saw protection from overloading. The smart interference works among the tool, battery, and charger. Through the process, it optimizes the operation and delivers the finest result. It doesn't only have technical benefits, but also includes additional advantageous features. One such example is its hanging hook. It might seem like a mere hook on the side, but it is a valuable attachment when you are working on certain heights and you need to work hand-free. This hook will allow you to hang it from your jeans loop or other places. It can bear the total weight of the saw and help you free your hands to work. Finally, the top product on our list is the DEWALT DCS 367B20V Max XR Compact Reciprocating Saw. The first reciprocating saw to rank on the first position of the list is from the famous brand DEWALT. This DEWALT cordless reciprocating saw is one of a kind that you will find on the market. The standard maintaining saw will be a great help for your construction work. Your comfort and convenience have been highly prioritized in terms of the structural design of the saw. The handle, position of the motor, the pivoting shoe, all are given such that you are facilitated from them. It has been constructed strategically to give you full control of the saw. You will have a great time using the saw without any questions. Its lightweight body is the perfect handheld tool to be used for long working hours. No chance of wearing off. Its feather-like 5-pound body will give you the utmost comfort of use. Speaking about strength, this 20V saw is one potential tool. It is powered by a lithium-ion battery and can deliver variable speeds. You can adjust the speed from the initial resting position to a massive 29 OSPM. The deeper the strokes go, the faster get your cuts. A very important addition to the saw is its LED light. You might not require it while working in a bright space, but it is very helpful for working in dark spots. When working inside cabinets or small spaces, you can get the space illuminated by the light. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.